This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hi guys, today I will show you how to send fake mails from others' email without having their permission. First, we need to get into a website known as. Here you can type your phone name from email. Okay, this is one of my fake email. I will send to my official email. Subject. Here you can attach anything. Here you have more options: high quality, low quality, etc. We are not going to that. Here you can type the content. Check the captcha. Send. Email successfully sent. Then you can check your email. My email. Sometimes it will not appear in the inbox, it will be on this form. Here we got the message. Don't use this technique for any illegal purpose. This is clearly for an educational purpose video. Thank you.